A few tips on how to look younger. If you follow these tips, you will not only look younger, you will feel better also. Sleep on your back. When you sleep and you are sleeping with your face facing anywhere but up, then you will age faster. Try nose breathing when you sleep also. Get the proper amount of sleep. Eat for your blood type. Find out what your blood type is and eat accordingly. This will help with hormone balancing and full body healing. There will be links below to help direct you to the right information with blood types. As always, check with your doctor about a diet change. Drink plenty clean water. Stop putting toxic fluids in your body. Get enough water, the right amount isn't even that much. Check out other fluids that are good for your blood type in book below. This is worth looking into. You can thank me later. Stop smoking. This one is hard to quit but obvious. Stop smoking and vaping. Just more unwanted chemicals. Next tip is: live a happy life. Being happy is good for your skin and health. Being happy is good for you and everyone around you as well. If you are unhappy and don't know why, please talk to a therapist. If you are unhappy and you know why, change things. If you need help, there are resources available. It is always a good idea to talk to a therapist. Getting your mind right and figuring out why you are the way you are and how to undo some unfavorable traits we pick up will help in our happiness. Playing is great for kids and adults. Playing is so much fun and it is good for our mind and body. Decrease stress. You can practice meditation and deep breathing. A hot foot bath works well too. Even a simple walk can help decrease stress. Following these tips will help your body handle stress, especially the regular trips to a therapist. Trips to your therapist should be no different than visiting your hair specialist regularly. If you don't have a regular hair specialist, that is a great idea also to look younger. Skin and hair. Everyone is unique, but there are basic ways to help look younger through aesthetics. All these tips will help, especially the blood type diet. If you are healthy on the inside, it will show. If you have issues inside your body, it will show on the outside. Don't cover it, address it. You will probably need a lifestyle change. Ask a specialist to help if you need it. You can also do things to help enhance your look. Ask a specialist as to a proper haircut and color for your skin type and body shape. For women, it is contouring and wearing the right makeup. Making sure brows are full and lips are soft is a great start. Get the right hair color and cut for you. For men, you can grow a beard or trim your facial hair. Hair color and skin exfoliation is ideal too. Hair is very important for both men and women. We recommend a hair specialist of your choice. Sunshine. You need a little sun, and too much is bad. Changing bad habits. Swap bad habit for good habits. Also obvious but also very difficult. You know what this means to you. Everyone will have their own interpretation of this. You know what you need to do more of. You know what you need to do less of. Do it. The last tip to looking, feeling and being youthful is: be kind to others, respect everyone, always be curious, become aware of dangers, love life and smile. Smiling and working on your posture will instantly make you look and feel more youthful. If you want to become younger from the inside out and you need total body healing, you need autophagy, a more intense form of intermittent fasting.